Quiz, World Religions and Belief Systems. Please write your name, date, and class period. You're able to pause this video at any time. Your answer choices are A, the belief in one God; B, this religion is monotheistic and it follows the 10 Commandments and the Old Testament. The founders are Abraham and Moses. C, the belief there is no God. D, this religion is neither monotheistic or polytheistic. E, the belief in many gods. F, this religion is polytheistic and they believe in reincarnation and karma. Question number 1, Judaism. Question number 2, monotheistic. Question number 3, Hinduism. Question number 4, polytheistic. Question number 5, Buddhism. Question number 6, atheist. Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 7, what is the holy text of Judaism called? Is it A, Torah, B, Bible, C, Quran, or D, Sutras? Question number 8. This religion celebrates Christmas, Easter, and the Holy Communion. Is it A, Judaism, B, Buddhism, C, Christianity, or D, Islam? Question number 9. What is the rebirth of a soul in a new body? Is it A, karma, B, reincarnation, C, agnostics, or D, dharma? Question number 10. This religion is monotheistic and its God is Allah. The founder is Muhammad. Your choices are A, Buddhism, B, Islam, C, Judaism, D, Christianity. World Religions Quiz Writing Prompts. Your choices are: write about why freedom of religion is important to many people. Write about how life would be living in a country without freedom of religion. Select a writing prompt from above and write a half-page essay on your selected choice. Remember, you can go back and check your answers. Good luck.